Hi, this is Naturally Queen. I have my daughter Leah here with me. Today I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize her hair while she has it in her little twist with her little beads at the end. So, I have my spray bottle here. So I'm just going to spray from roots to ends. Make sure I get her scalp. Make sure I get her ends because the ends are very dry. Get her whole hair. I'm going to go ahead and soak that in there. She had this in for 2 weeks now, going on 3. So we'll probably leave it in for about another week or so. But right now I'm just going to put that in there. How does it feel, Lee?
Good.
Feels good. So now we're going to do our DIY.
Oil.
Yeah, our oil. Let's get her scalp here.
That everything to be right. I'm going to do it one more time again.
Okay, let's just get your scalp here.
Whoa, I don't want to fall. I told you I'm going to fall that.
Yeah, don't fall, okay?
Because Daddy got me candy.
Okay. So I'm going to rub that oil into her hair. How does that feel?
Good.
Feels good? Okay. Now I'm going to put some oil in my hand. Just put it all over.
Whoa!
Oops, sorry. Oops. Alright. Let's get this side. We're almost done. Okay.
Whoa!
So this will keep her hair moisturized for the week. I might have to come back and just oil her scalp one more time this week, but this is how we keep Leah's hair nice and moisturized in her protective style. And this is her real hair. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks,
Bye.